I'm waiting for my wife. We're supposed to go store shopping, and she's been upstairs getting ready, for like an hour and a half now. But can I get mad? I would like to. That would be like my first option would be getting mad. But I'm not going to. I'm going to let it be. I'm going to be like that tree branch, dude, waving in the wind. Strong wind comes, you bend a lot. No wind, you can stay pretty stable. But I would call this wind, her taking an hour and a half to get ready is like wind blowing on my branch. I gotta go way back, and sometimes it hurts to bend that far back. But you know what? I'm tired of getting mad. Oh, and I'm cleaning my wound. I got a pin put in my foot, man.